Hey guys, I wanted to talk to y'all about my stay at Hyatt Ziva Rose Hall in Montego Bay, Jamaica. They have two hotels on one property. Ziva is the family side and Zilara is the adult side. No matter what side you stay on, you have access to both. The pool on the Zilara side was my favorite hangout spot. They have a DJ and unique ways to keep the guests entertained. The food was delicious. I literally ate jerk chicken every day. Drinks were really good also. There was a good variety. I even found some Hennessy, y'all. There's a beach on site, not like a traditional beach, but you can still dip your toes in the sand. They offer cabanas for rent with full service. They had different activities every day. One I like was the silent DJ party. I wish they did a better job though at advertising the events. I kind of had to ask every day what was going on. If you like massages, there's an on-site spa. I didn't check that out because it was a little too pricey for me. Another highlight for me was the hookah. If y'all know me, I will find the hookah anywhere. They had a cute rooftop area set up, or you can go to the bar right outside the adult pool for hookah. Literally, everything you need is on this resort. I had no major complaints here.